Vishnu, holidays are coming, bro.
Yeah, I know. And what will you do in the holiday?
I don't know. Maybe I wanna contact with my family.
Okay, see you later.
See you, Vishnu.
Where will we go on holiday?
I don't know. I don't have an idea.
What about you guys?
I don't know. I have a job to do in the holiday.
I just follow your suggestion.
Yeah, me too. Maybe I'll ask to my friend to find some vacation for us.
Okay, son.
Vishnu, can you help me to find some vacation for us?
Sure.
What you suggestion?
I suggest you will have to Oh, look at this. This place is wonderful. And there will have a great hotel.
Oh,
I will send you the picture to you. Okay?
thank you. This is so awesome. Thank you.